Hi everybody, it's me, Mrs. Salazar, and I'm trying to make another video for you for chapter 10. I hope this works. We're going on to the next problem. We already did 1022 with Casey's problem. We're going to do 1023, A, B, and C. I want to do 1024 with you also, but just part C and some of 1025. Let's get started. Here's 1023 part A. We have 32 times 3 minus 32 times 5 equals 32 times 7. I'm going to divide everything by 32 since they all are being multiplied by 32. All your terms are being multiplied by 32. So we'll divide by 32. When that happens, 32 divided by 32 makes a 1. So we have 1 times 3 minus 1 times 5. I think I wrote that problem wrong. That should have been 3x. And everything else looks right. 1 times 7. So now we have 3x minus 5 equal 7. Do the opposite of 5 on both sides. Add 5, and we have 3x equals 12. You can divide by 3 on both sides, and 3 divided by 3 is 1, so we have x equals 4. Okay, now the big deal on this is you have to recognize what can you do to make it smaller. We're going to divide by 32 because everything is a multiple of 32. Part B is a lot different because it's a quadratic, but we use a similar principle. We have 9,000x squared minus 6,000x minus 15,000 equals 0. They can all be divided by, well, 3. They could be divided by 10, but what's the greatest common factor? 3,000. So let's divide everything by 3,000. And divide 0 by 3,000 too. What you do to the left side, you do to the right side. And now we have 3x squared minus 2x minus 5 equals 0. And we're going to solve for x. And I want to use the zero product property. I'm going to use the box and the diamond. 3x squared goes here, negative 5 here. Make your diamond. And we multiply this, and we got negative 15x squared. That goes on the top. Negative 2x goes in the bottom. That's from the original problem. And I'm going to use 5x and 3x. I know that multiplies to give you 15x squared. Let's make the 5 negative. So negative 5x squared plus 3x equals a negative 2x. And negative 5x times 3x equals negative 15x. I always double check, does the sum have the same answer as the biggest number here? Yeah. Put those here, negative 5x and 3x. Find the greatest common factor, 3x, negative 5, x, and 1. And we get x plus 1, that's a funny x, times 3x minus 5 equals 0. And we get, we write x plus 1 equals 0, and 3x minus 5 equals 0. Alright, subtract 1, x equals negative 1. Or add 5 here, 3x equals 5. You have to divide by 2, I mean not by 2, by 3. And x equals 5/3. So what's my roots? And we're gonna write it over here because I'm running out of room. Negative 1 comma 0 and 5/3 comma 0. All right, thank you. I'll make another video in a moment.